Hi guys, this is Tim Ambrose here on Learn Trade and Earn Forex. Hope you're well. Today I want to quickly talk to us about how this Forex market started. Let's do a brief introduction about the Forex market. Like the Grace Might Moore said, when proper information about a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. So whatever you want to venture into, it is good for you to have good information, how it started, what it is for, and how you can profit from it. So today, I want to help us by explaining to us or teaching us how the Forex market started, what it is for, and how you can profit from it. So if you're new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Introduction to Forex trade. The word Forex was coined from two English words, foreign and exchange. Foreign exchange is the process of exchanging one currency into another currency for a variety of reasons, usually for commerce, trading, or tourism. The foreign exchange market, otherwise known as the Forex market, is the largest financial market in the world with a daily net worth of over 6.6 billion US dollar. That was as of October 2020. Net worth was 6.6 billion US dollar. The Forex market is large. You need to get good information about the Forex market before you dive into the Forex market. A whole number of traders will have today do not even know the meaning of the word Forex. It is foreign exchange. The Forex market did not start today. The Forex market did not start 10 years ago. Let's do a brief history of the Forex market. Currency trading has existed since ancient times, and there are references to money changers right back to biblical times. For the fact that the name was given a few years ago, let's say way back to as far as 50, 60 or 70 years ago, or if not less, Forex has been in existence way before time. For instance, we know about the trade and barter system, how goods were sold before now. In Africa, before money came on board, how goods were sold, where you get a product you want to exchange for another product, and proper calculations will be done, and you'll be told how many of that product you will need to bring to get a particular product. So that is Forex. You're exchanging products, you're exchanging things of value to get another. Now, the monetary and currency system, as we know, it first started to take shape in early 1800s as various countries like the United Kingdom, Canada, and the United States adopted first a bimetallic standard, that is the gold and silver, and then a straight gold standard. Under a gold standard, a country's paper currency can be converted at will into a fixed amount of gold. That is, a gold-backed system can create high confidence in a country's currency, but the system is very inflexible. You can check that up over the internet. The Forex market, as we understand it today, is a truly new market, of course, in its most basic sense, that of people converting one currency to another for financial advantage, has been around since nations began minting currencies. So, since nations began producing their own currencies, the Forex market has been in existence, although it was not given that name, foreign exchange. But the modern Forex markets are a modern invention. I believe you got that. Now, what do we do in the Forex market? The Forex market is a digital global market where buying and selling of currencies take place. The exchange of foreign currencies takes place. It's a digital market. What we do there is just buying and selling. We buy currencies, we sell currencies. What is done over the counter, you go, you change if you fly from Nigeria to the United States, you need to change the Nigerian naira to the United States dollar so you can use it over there in the United States. So we buy these currencies and we sell the currencies when we observe little changes in the market. Okay, one good question one want to ask is, how do we buy or sell in the forex market? Now, currency trading was very difficult for individual investors. Prior to the internet, most currency traders were large multi-international corporations, hedge funds, or high net worth individuals, because forex trading required a lot of capital. I mean, a whole lot of capital. You can do a little research to know how much people need to trade the forex market way before now. Now, with the help from the internet, a retail market aimed at individual traders has emerged, providing easy access to the foreign exchange markets, either through the banks themselves or brokers making a secondary market. In order to gain access to the market, you first of all need to register with a broker. Now, a broker is a middleman or a mediator between you and the market. Most online brokers, note this, most online brokers or dealers offer very high leverage to individual traders who can control a large trade with a small account balance. Before now, you need huge amount of money to trade the forex market, but the brokers are there to make sure you can use your $5, your $10, your $15, your $100, your $1,000 to trade the forex market and make profits. So they do that by offering high leverage to individuals, to you, so you also can benefit from the forex market. How can I get one? There are a whole lot of brokers out there, but in order for you not to register with scam brokers, a lot of brokers, their license have been seized. So you may not be aware of that, and you register with one of these brokers and you get scammed. So go to the description and the description of this video. I'll drop the link to the two brokers I use in the description area. Please click on any of them to do your registration. Now note, the first broker in the description, I use them in trading the currency pairs, while the other I use for trading synthetic indices. We'll explain that when we get there. My counsel to you: note, no matter the amount you put into your trading account, you can lose all in the live market. Forex is not a get-rich scheme. Forex is a skill. You acquire it. Don't expect to come into the forex market and within 2 months you make $1 million. I bet you lose your life savings if you come with that kind of mindset. So please, please, and please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and drop your comments and questions in the comment section, and I'll go through them to answer your questions. Thank you and God bless.